If you want to become a millionaire in 2025, it's an ambitious yet attainable goal, even if you're starting from scratch. It may seem daunting at first, but by following the right steps, focusing on high-impact financial habits, and making savvy decisions, you can dramatically increase your chances of reaching that milestone. So let's take a look at a practical, straightforward guide to help you reach your first million step by step. Step 1. Invest aggressively and consistently. When it comes to building wealth, time is your greatest ally. Investing as early as possible can be the difference between a comfortable retirement and a life where you're constantly having to play catch-up. You don't have to take on high-risk investments. The key is to start early and invest as much as you can consistently. Consider this. Investing just $3,000 per year with an 8% return could grow to $1.35 million by age 65 if you start at 18. But if you wait until age 35, that same investment will only grow to around $339,000. The difference in returns shows how much value is lost when you delay starting to invest. Let's look at different yearly contributions to see how they grow over time. Starting at 18 with a $5,000 contribution yearly at an 8% return means a retirement fund of $2.26 million by age 65. Delaying until 35, that figure is now at $566,000, less than a quarter of the potential value had you started earlier. So what's the lesson here? Small, consistent contributions grow into substantial wealth, especially when you start early. Don't wait until your income is higher or you have more disposable cash. Invest what you can and let time and compound interest work their magic. Step 2. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs in the US and RRSPs and TFSAs in Canada are vital tools in your wealth-building journey. These accounts provide tax benefits that can significantly boost your retirement savings. Many employers offer a 401k in the US or an RRSP in Canada match program, often matching your contributions up to a certain percentage. For example, if you earn $100,000 annually and your employer matches 3%, you're gaining an additional $3,000 in your retirement fund each year without any extra effort. Always aim to contribute enough to receive the full employer's match because it's essentially free money. Another tax-advantaged account, the Roth IRA in the US and the TFSA in Canada, allows you to contribute post-tax dollars and enjoy tax-free growth. The current annual limit for a Roth IRA is $6,500, and for a Canadian TFSA, it's $7,000. All earnings are tax-free when you withdraw them in retirement, maximizing your net returns over time. Taking advantage of these types of accounts automates your savings, keeps you disciplined, and reduces taxable income, which helps to accelerate your path to $1 million. Step 3. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, particularly credit card debt, is a wealth killer. Credit card balances with interest rates of 20% or higher can quickly spiral out of control, making it almost impossible to save effectively. Let's say you have a balance of $6,500, the average credit card debt in the US, at a 20% interest rate. It would take almost 3.5 years to pay it off if you're making minimum payments of $250 per month. But if you were to invest that $250 instead at an 8% return, you'd have accumulated over $11,000 by the time you're debt-free. Remember that debt slows down your journey to wealth by eating into your disposable income and increasing financial stress. You should always make paying off high-interest debt as a priority so you can focus on growing your investments without the burden of extra expenses dragging you down. Step 4. Focus on increasing your income. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. So increasing your income gives you more financial flexibility and helps speed up your wealth building journey. For example, if you're earning $60,000 a year annually and saving 20%, you're setting aside $12,000 per year. If you increase your salary to $100,000, that 20% savings rate results in $20,000 saved each year, a significant boost. Strategic job changes can result in substantial pay raises. According to LendingTree, workers who move to larger companies see average salary increases of 15%. Early in your career, job hopping can be a powerful way to accelerate income growth, as younger employees tend to gain higher salary improvements through job changes rather than staying in the same job and waiting for your yearly salary increase. Let's compare two hypothetical people, Bill and Bob, both starting with $60,000 annually. Bill sticks with his same job, receiving a 3% raise annually, while Bob switches jobs every 2 years for a 20% raise each time. After 6 years, Bob's salary is now over $109,000, while Bill's is about $69,000. Bob's income growth allows him to invest more, reach his million-dollar goal faster, and enjoy financial freedom sooner. Step 5. Track your progress. Tracking your net worth can help you stay motivated, measure your progress, and make informed decisions. Consider using a Google spreadsheet or a finance app like EveryDollar, GoodBudget, or Expensify to help monitor your income, expenses, and investments regularly. Tracking helps you identify if you're staying on track with your goals and allows you to make adjustments if necessary. Seeing your progress is not only satisfying, but it also keeps you disciplined and focused. It gives you a tangible record of your financial health, making it easier to plan and make better long-term decisions. Step 6. Invest windfalls wisely. Throughout life, you may receive unexpected money windfalls, tax returns, work bonuses, or even gift money. Rather than treating these as spending money, consider investing them to accelerate your journey towards wealth. Let's say you receive a $3,000 tax refund yearly. If you invest 90% of it, $2,700, at an 8% return over 20 years, you'd have about $133,000 in extra wealth just from investing this annual windfall. To make it easier to stick to this habit, consider setting aside 10% of any windfall for personal enjoyment while committing the remaining 90% to investments. This way, you're enjoying a reward while keeping most of it to invest for the future. Step 7. Stay consistent and make investing passive. Avoid the urge to micromanage your investments. Checking your portfolio daily can lead to impulsive decisions which often hurt long-term returns. Instead, aim for a set-it-and-forget-it approach with diversified long-term investments such as index funds. According to investing expert Morgan Housel, the best investors are often those who forget their account password, meaning they allow time to work in their favor without reacting to every market fluctuation. Dollar cost averaging, where you consistently invest a set amount regardless of market conditions, is one way to build wealth passively and effectively over time. Instead of checking your portfolio daily, focus on other financial goals, such as increasing income, paying off debt, or budgeting. Trust that your diversified long-term investments will grow over time and let them do the work. Following these steps can put you on a path to your first million, even if you're starting with a little. By investing early, maximizing retirement accounts, avoiding debt, growing your income, and tracking your progress, you can make steady progress towards your financial goals. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay disciplined, stay focused, and remember that every small, smart decision moves you closer to that 1 million and your own financial freedom. If you enjoyed today's video, then like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see the 5 wealth killers you need to avoid, then check out this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.